guys, how's everyone doing? Welcome back to the channel and thank you for tuning in to yet another video. For those who don't know me, my name is Jeremy and this is my 2022 Chevy Silverado 1500 RST. So I haven't done a sponsored video in a long time and I kind of got away from those because I only want to recommend high quality products to you guys that I myself thoroughly believe in, that I would personally recommend for these vehicles. And sometimes it's pretty difficult to find top-notch products out there. Well, today that changes. Today's video is sponsored by Screen ProTech. They have sent me this product to show you guys and to install on the Silverado. So as the company's name would suggest, they specialize in high quality screen protectors for your infotainment screen as well as for your gauge cluster. So with this product, it is not a PPF. They engineer films that are specially designed for electronic screens. It will reduce fingerprints, it will reduce dusting. Also, if you have a slightly used vehicle and your infotainment screen has a decent amount of imperfections such as scratches or blemishes, when you apply the film to the screen, it will actually hide those imperfections and make it look brand spanking new. So when you order this product, this is what you get. You get this tube, you can scan this QR code, and it has all the instructions, everything that you'll need to install the product. So you take the cap off the tube, it comes with this, it tells you do not install without reading the directions. Included in here is everything you will need to install it. You get this bottle that has a little bit of a solution in there. You need to mix some distilled water in here. This is the solution that you will use to apply the screen protectors. It is a wet application. Also included is a microfiber towel as well as a squeegee that you will use to apply it. And of course, you get the films itself. Whenever you go to check out, they give you the option to essentially double your order, just in case you mess up. You're not just screwed and your only piece of film is ruined. You can double up. It's cheaper than buying two separate orders, so that's handy to have. So this is really cool. Even just feeling it right here on the protective film, it feels really slick. This won't yellow, so 6 months, a year from now, 2 years from now, it's not going to look ugly and you'll have to replace it. And overall, it's just going to make the user experience whenever you're using your infotainment screen much better. So enough standing out here talking about it. Let's get inside the truck and install it. Use the provided microfiber towel to thoroughly clean the screen. This will remove any dust, fingerprints, or body oils that will interfere with the adhesion of the screen protector. Since this film requires a wet application, liberally spray the provided solution onto the screen. You can then remove the screen protector from the paper backing and slide it into place on the screen. These are produced to be an exact fit, so it shouldn't be too difficult. When you're ready to apply, spray additional solution to the rear of the screen protector. This will promote greater adhesion. Additionally, spray some solution on the face of the screen protector. This will allow the squeegee to glide much easier. Gently glide the squeegee across the surface to evacuate all of the solution. You may still notice a few remaining water bubbles, but those will dissipate in a few days. Lastly, use the provided microfiber towel to clean up any residual solution that may remain on the surface of the screen protector and admire your work. So I apologize for the beeping from the truck, but yeah, optimal clarity. Feels really smooth. And I like it. Repeat the same process to apply the two pieces of film provided for the instrument cluster. Don't be afraid if this film appears slightly oversized. It's manufactured like that on purpose to tuck behind the trim for a seamless install. yeah, it looks really nice, really clear. Again, if you see any of the water bubbles, do not fear, you didn't screw it up. You just have to wait for that stuff to dry out. So I think it looks really good. Well, that is a wrap on the install. Super quick, super easy. You don't have to be a professional to install this product. Personally, I've installed screen protectors on my phones multiple times. I absolutely suck at it, but this was actually a pleasure to work with. So just to recap about the product, this is not a PPF. This is a film specifically designed for electronic screens. It will not yellow. It protects against dust, fingerprints, and scratches. It has a nice gloss look to it, so your screen will look like brand new, shiny glass. Speaking of brand new, shiny glass, if your screen has blemishes or imperfections in it, this will actually make it look brand spanking new. It hides all those blemishes, so you'll be happy knowing that your screen looks brand spanking new. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to let me know with a big thumbs up. Also, be sure to subscribe for new videos every single week. Be sure to follow me on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. The links for all those will be in the video description down below. And until my next video, take care and be safe. Peace.